A jaw-dropping forecast reveals a kitchen gadget that reads your cravings and remakes dinner in real time, turning every meal into a personalized experience. The AI taste tuner analyzes aroma, texture, and nutritional goals, then collaborates with smart appliances to adjust heat, timing, and ingredients on the fly. It translates your mood and activity into flavor options, making healthy choices effortless and exciting for busy days. This is not future hype, but a practical shift that could shrink grocery waste and elevate everyday cooking. Will you let a kitchen AI redefine your comfort foods and challenge your cravings tonight?